Time check guys, it's 7:14 ng umaga. Andito tayo ngayon sa ating markets kasi Sunday morning at it's selling day for Mami Nyo. But because tingnan nyo ang ating kumumukha guys, we're still a snake. Ayan, naghuhulas pa rin tayo. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Gusto ko makita nyo talaga guys yung pangyayari sa aking mukha. So we're still peeling at the moment. At sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, like I don't really wanna stay there for like 4 hours and like out like in the public with his face, right? Because I can't do anything. So Daddy Mike is doing our market today. Look at these two girls still sleeping kasi aga-aga pa guys. So, si Daddy Mike ay nakapasok na. So, kailangan lang ihang yung mga damit. See? At alam niyo ba guys, my goodness. So, nakalimutan naming dalhin yung ibang hangers. So, may isang plastic storage na walang hanger yung mga damit guys. So, kailangan talaga ng hangers. And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, it's freaking too hard to go home and get the hangers. So, that's why I'm very lucky that na-close ko na yung mga tao dito sa market na to. So, that's the importance of I think like, just a good person and be nice and be friendly to everyone. Kasi, pumasok ako doon kanina, sabi ko, do you think you can, let me borrow some spare hangers? Kasi nga, like, I don't wanna go home. Tapos, I left our hangers at home. At alam niyo ba, they let us borrow, like, more than what we need. Sabi niya, hihihi. Sabi niya, don't tell anyone. Kasi, ano din sila dyan. Parang yung rent arak sa likuran. So, huwag yung sabihin sa iba na ganyan-ganyan. So, I really feel like special, guys, pagdating dito sa, kasi they also treat me that way. Kasi nakikita nila ako, I'm always there every Sunday. Nasave ako sa hassle na maghanap pa ng hangers. Kasi, I started looking at Facebook Marketplace, baka meron dito sa area na to na nagbenta. Because I wanted to go to Coles or Woolies, yung mga grocery store here, kasi meron sila for sure, but then they're not open till 9 and it's still 7, right? So it's still very early. So na-save tayo guys sa stress. Guys, update naman tayo. Ayan, mas marami yung peeling today. At alam nyo ba, itong camera to sometimes ka-exaggerate kasi it doesn't look this bad. Pag tinitingnan ko sa camera, grabe naman yan siya. Uy, exaggerate naman yan siya. Uy, but in person, it's not too bad, actually. Like, yung pag-darken, but the darkening side, that's the normal part or after, like, chemical peel. But I start to see here, you can see the, parang may, like, new skin coming through. Ayan. Mas smooth. So we'll see. So I got the girls while Daddy Mike is selling there, guys. Yeah. We're going to a cafe somewhere. Yeah. Kakain muna kami. So it's still 9 something, 9:20 I think. Oh, are you a bunny? Yeah. You're a cute bunny. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
I rent it for in the afternoon and the whole night.
Wait.
A cracking. Cracking like you bring.
Ang layo namin nag-park. Wala parking doon sa harapan. What would you like for breakfast, ate?
Tasty.
Toasty? Lainey, what's for breakfast? Tingnan niyo guys, hindi ko ito napakita kagabi. Ay, kahapon. Anak ba? Show your lips. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo.
And a little blood on her teeth.
Kahapon. Guys, she was playing with the skateboard. Momo.
And on the lawn.
Ito.
Now,
Swimming like a water.
I can't eat it myself.
God. What is Lainey having?
Bacon.
Bacon. Yummy. What are you having?
Ham and cheese. Croissant.
And mommy is just having a rice and toast, guys. With butter. We just sent photos to daddy. Nag-exchange ulit kami ni Daddy Mike ng phone. So, yung phone niya, yung gamit ko, yung sa akin, yung nandun sa kanya. Kasi yung F-POS machine, nandun sa phone ko. So, ayan, exchange.
Mami, ano hindi pa myself? Mama, I want to eat it by myself.
Alright, bon appetito. Bon appetito. Uy! Umuulan. Dala meron kaming ganito. So, andito kami sa likuran na part ng cafe, guys. It's so cute. Oh no! Oh no! So, nandun yung yung harapan. And nandito, sa back door, meron silang maliit na courtyard. Diba? Sobrang cute. Ayun, oh.
There's literally so many herb shops here.
Yeah, we're gonna go have a look at the shops.
We
When we're
found
done.
6. Okay.
It's okay.
So he died, so I'm gonna give him a flower.
Monty.
He died. Did he die?
Think so.
Huh?
I think so.
I think he died.
Smile here, Nakbe. We'll take photo for daddy. Nandito kami sa op shop, guys. May nahanap ako for the girls. Skirt. Mini skirt. Skirt. Oh, diba? Mimiya. And then top. How cute is that Jordan shoes?
Yeah. Mama,
So
look.
cute. Ito naman po na pa rin siya. That's cute.
That's one I wanted. Which one do you think I should?
I like the ladybug.
I like the
A few moments later.
Home time now, guys. Pick upin natin si Daddy Mike. I'm wondering how he went. Sorry. Hey, you're so daddy. This one. Hi, Daddy.
Where's my daughters?
In the car.
Your friend? Wow. Months?
I want a healthy good
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa van. We dropped the stock at home. And then, diretso na kami dito sa van. Okay, ang ating Ate Paris ay gusto niya ng plant. Si Daddy Mike, nag-promise sa kanya na bibilhan siya ng plant.
Pandora, yeah.
Huh?
Which Pandora?
Go follow Ate.
Naughty.
Ewan ko lang kay Ate Paris na out of nowhere gusto mong mag-plant. Yeah.
Why are you sending me this?
Ang cute-cute ng trolley eh.
Hey, guys! This is away from the Venus flytraps. Slane was going really close to the Venus flytrap. It'll bite. That's why you don't touch the
Alright.
bite.
Daddy's an entrepreneur.
Oh, you can hear. Oh, yeah.
Hi, Charlie Ati.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Flower.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 4:09. So, ngayon lang ulit tayo ng vlog. Pagka-uwi namin kanina, nag-relax-relax muna. Umupo kami sa couch. And then, nakalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo yung nabili natin today, guys. Alam niyo ba, sobrang swerte ko today. Kasi, kanina, so after namin dinner sa Daddy Mike, diba? And then, I took the kids for breakfast sa labas. And then, kasi may mga op-shop sila doon. Tawag nilang ukay. Nagtingin-tingin kami. So, diba, napakita ko sa inyo kanina, diba, na yung sa, pakita ko, yung sa kids. Ayan. So, skirt for Baby Celine, $3 ito, guys. And then, $3 for this top. I think this is for Ate Paris. Medyo malaki. And then, this, mukhang kasya pa ito kay Ate Paris natin. $4.50. And then, so pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Sabi ko, hindi na tayo magtingin dyan na kay si Daddy naghihintay doon. And then, ewan ko ba guys, there's something nagsabi sa akin na, no, just look inside. And minsan sa mga op-shop na ganyan guys, sa loob, hindi mo kailangan talagang halugugin lahat ng yung the whole shop. Minsan, pumupunta ako sa counter kasi doon sa counter guys, doon nila nilalagay yung mga, alam niyo, yung mga branded, yung medyo mataas yung pricing, yung mga ganun. So, sabi ko, okay, papasok ako dyan, pero lang, yung saglit lang, yung sa counter lang ba. And, alam niyo ba guys kung ano yung nakita ko? Oh my God, at first, pagka-open ng door, sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, I need to look at that one straight away. So, sabi ko kay Manong sa counter, sabi ko, can I have a look at that bag? Sabi niya, oh, you can go around para matingnan mo mabuti. And guess what? Yung bago, tingnan niyo nabili ko. It is the Louis Vuitton, if I'm not mistaken, I don't want to butcher the name, Danube. I'll put the name in the screen. But tingnan nyo guys, super lucky ko talaga. And as you know, I also sell designer handbags online and sa mga sa market sa pinupuntahan ko. And I have like enough experience and also like knowledge about like designer handbags. When I saw it from far away, kita ko yung leather, yung canvas niya, guys. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, that's original. I need to look at that one, like, immediately. So, pagkatingin ko, guys, pagkahawak ko, ay alams na. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, this is real Louis Vuitton product. And, sige, pagkita ko sa inyo, guys, kasi, for sure sa inyo, maraming din, may mga alam. So, look at the tatak. And then the code here, dito sa gilid, it is SL0033, which means I think this is SL is France, and it's made on the 3rd week of 2003. So vintage na to siya, guys. And guess how much yung binayaran ko dito? Kita ko muna yung kondisyon. Ayan. So, wala siyang back-back, wala siyang stickiness na minsan yun yung problema sa mga Louis Vuitton na mga matanda na, guys. Inside is very clean. Have a look at the pocket. Ayan. I paid 100 Australian dollars. Kita ko sa inyo yung proof na $100. Ayan siya. 100. I couldn't believe my eyes nung nakita ko yung price, guys. Sabi ko, I'll bayad ka agad. So, 100 Australian dollars is 3,600 pesos. So, I'm very lucky. Kaya nga, guys, talagang merong pera sa ukay. And I couldn't believe na yung may-ari nito, guys, ay dinonate lang. Alam mo yun? Kasi they still, you know, worth like few $100. Ano? So talagang, ano guys, oh my God, wait. Kaya I love going to places like that. Kasi you will see, ano, treasures talaga. Ito hindi ko talaga to siya inakala, but, you know, biniyayaan ako ni God nito. Kaya I'm very glad. And then I'll show you something na nabili ko kanina sa market. Kung saan tayo nagbibenta, guys. Look. This wool jacket. This is from the brand Sandro. This is also a really, really good brand, guys. Kung i-search nyo. Ayan, Sandro. This is also a great buy. I don't think you wear this one in ano in Brisbane kasi I think a little bit more. Maybe pag sa gabi ganyan kasi gumaginaw din naman. Yeah. This looks really, really nice. Kapag naka-aura ka, oh, you know, like at the moment, seriously, my face, tinan yung aking mukha na nagpipil. Still peeling, guys. Ayan, ito yung malaking peel. But hindi ko siya tinatouch.
Oh, they are outside! He was looking.
Sige, sige, John. Tawagan kita. Tawagan kita pag ano.
Hello, everybody.
Aya! Hi! Hello. Mama. Hi, everyone!
Hello!
How's the buntit?
Oh my goodness! Say hi, tatay!
Hello!
Malapitan ninyo, guys.
Skateboard?
Mani ang lami. Lami sa balay sa akong tito.
Skateboard?
Copy ba more?
Skateboard?
Skyflakes?
Ha?
Langka.
What is it?
Skateboard?
Buko.
Mani.
Matag buko ba? Buko, ganang wala ta. Okay, kita din ko muli tayo. Dili mo lang di magahi. See, Tita Elizabeth baked this too.
You want something?
May mga ko yun. Wow, sana all kayo.
Ay, natagap.
How do you
Our buntis
translate
is
that?
big now. Oh my goodness. What are you do again?
Ay, mama daw eh. Mama to.
May 19 now.
Tita, yung baba is mama's
Vlogging.
yun na eat banana cake. Thank you, Joy.
23.
Guys, malapit na siyang maghating gabi. So, tulog na ang ating family. And, hinihilamusan ko lang ang ating Tesla. So, ganito ko siya hinihilamusan. Ayaw ko siyang i-ganun talaga kasi ayaw kong ma-force yung pag-peel ba. See? Ayan. Ito siya talagang gusto ko na siyang gupitin, guys. Ayan. Oh my God, my face looks gross. But, alam niyo, nakakapagpasaya sa akin, nakapag-excite, ano. See? Like here, ayan, ito yung mga nag-start ng mag-peel dito. I could see like it's, ano, parang lighter looking. So, don't worry about the dark, guys. Ganyan yung dark. Kasi, ano yan siya? Yung pili yan siya sa mukha. See? So, grabe grabe yung pang-ano ng mukha natin. Pero hindi siya mahapdi ha. Medyo, ano lang, may medyong makati-kati konti. But, there's nothing unnatural. Oh my goodness. See? Ganyan, kitang-kita nyo talaga.